Vladimir Rogov, a representative of the administration of the Zaporizhzhia region, stated that the Russian Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system had become a counterbalance to the American HIMARS MLRS in the Zaporizhzhia direction. The appearance in the proper number of Tornado-S multiple launch rocket systems with guided projectiles makes it possible to hit enemy positions 100%. They have meter accuracy. Therefore, now we have a counterbalance to the American HIMARS system that has proven itself in combat conditions, Rogov said in an interview with RIA Novosti on January 31.